You find a piece of tech that looks like a total steal on paper. It promises the world for a fraction of the usual price. That is exactly what we are looking at with this new high-performance soundbar system. It hits the market with a heavy-hitting multi-channel setup and a wireless subwoofer that promises to shake your living room. The engineers skip the usual digital tricks. Instead, they use physical, curved acoustic reflectors to push the soundstage wider than the bar itself. It even has dedicated drivers pointing at the ceiling to bounce sound down for a true three-dimensional effect. For the gaming crowd, this thing is a unicorn. It offers a high bandwidth port that supports ultra-high-definition visuals and variable refresh rates. That is almost unheard of at this price point. But the honeymoon phase ends quickly for many buyers. As soon as you start watching a show, you might notice something annoying. Every time a character speaks, the subwoofer starts to hum and vibrate. It is not just for explosions. It happens during normal conversation. It makes the dialogue feel muddy and heavy. You would expect to just open an app and fix the levels, but the software is a ghost town. There is no real control over the frequencies. You get a couple of basic switches and that is it. If you do not use an Apple device, you might be in even more trouble. A major bug prevents many smartphones from even connecting to the bar to get it on the internet. This means you cannot easily download the fix that solves the buzzing issues. It is a frustrating loop. You also cannot adjust the volume of the surround channels individually. For a flagship device, that is a glaring omission. Some users also report the ambient noise in a movie just cutting out because the processing is too aggressive. It feels like the hardware is great, but the brain inside is not quite finished. Here is the twist though. If you can get the latest firmware patch installed, most of these headaches simply vanish. The buzzing stops and the connection becomes stable. The catch is that you almost certainly need an iPhone to push that update through if you are stuck on the old software. If you are willing to jump through those hoops, and if you can find this unit on sale for a few $100s less than the sticker price, it becomes an incredible value. The physical design allows for a massive room-filling sound that punches way above its weight class. You just have to decide if you are okay with being a bit of a tech detective for the first hour of ownership. It is a high-stakes gamble that pays off if you have the right tools to fix the factory mistakes. This is not a plug-and-play experience for everyone. It is a powerful beast that needs a little bit of taming before it is ready for your movie night. If you love a bargain and you have an iPhone handy, this might be the best audio secret of the year. Otherwise, you might find yourself wishing you spent a little more for something that works right out of the box. It is a classic case of amazing hardware being held back by unpolished software. I want to emphasize how rare it is to find actual up-firing speakers at this cost. Most brands just use software to pretend the sound is coming from above. This bar actually puts the work in. If you can handle a little troubleshooting, the reward is a theater-quality experience that usually costs double the money. Just keep that iPhone nearby and be ready to tinker.